What is up, guys? Welcome back to another delicious bread circle video. Today we are going to sprint 100 meters while solving a Rubik's Cube, and just going to see who does it fastest. You're going to scramble this. Also, the rules are you can't cross the finish line without having the cube solved, and you can't stop at any point before the end.
Cannot stop.
Alright, so this is my first attempt, and I really have no idea how fast I can do this, but I'm hoping for 25. How fast was that?
24.99.
Are you serious?
Oh.
I literally said my goal was 25.
25 seconds. He's reached his goal.
I didn't expect it to be so hard to see the colours. I couldn't find the pieces I was looking for. A really fast finishing kick, I would say.
Not sure what to expect. I did a couple of short jumps just trying to turn, not actual sprinting, and it's a lot harder to turn this cube while running than it is, well, when you're sitting in a chair. Kind of sore. So, I don't know, low 20s maybe, we'll see.
Okay. Low 20s. Here we go.
You've beaten me.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh my god.
The scramble for Ben.
I've never
Gonna make it nice and absolutely destroyed for him.
Okay, it's my turn. I'm gonna go for sub 20. I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope I don't fall over. I'm gonna try it though. Sub 20. That wasn't too bad.
That was really fast.
The cube is solved.
That was 16.08.
I like that.
It's impressive.
What are your expectations for round 2?
Round 2, I expect to get a 21.
You can see the cube. This is going to be in the video, by the way. Oh, it's starting to stabilize. I think that's the cube right there. And Iron's going to go and get... Go on, Iron!
On your marks. Get set. Go.
It's so shaky. How was that? 22!
92.
What's the time? 22.92.
Well, I improved. Not as much as I wanted.
Right.
I don't know, I think
2 seconds.
it just went slightly better.
Alright, how was that?
Well, I tried running a bit faster that time. I didn't.
Did it work?
We'll see. It's so hard to keep turning.
I stopped it too early. It's like 20. It'll be like 23 flat, but I stopped it too early.
So, okay, basically the same time.
23, yeah, there's that same number of stops. That was it.
Well, the same time as his last attempt. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus.
It's cold, guys. Yeah. That's all I have to say. It's cold. But we're going to get through this. What was the time anyway?
15
Oh, it's 15? I can read that.
Wait, Why can you beat that?
No, because we sort of. Not,
You were supposed to finish before you finished.
but I ran it too fast.
You ran too fast.
Yeah.
So I got to slow down the running and then.
If you ran with me, you'd get something.
Right. Oh my god.
Thoughts on the second attempt?
Second attempt. We found that you've got to try and balance out your running with the solve. So you gotta not run too fast because then you'll get to the finish line before you've solved it. But you can't run too slow because otherwise you end up like 60 meters in, you gotta sprint. So I think we gotta try and balance it. True.
So you're going to do a third attempt?
I guess so. Ready to crumble across the track.
He's gonna solve this cube in less than 22 seconds while running 100 meters.
I mean, I hope so.
Okay, what's your tactic going to be for attempt 3?
Run fast.
So I'm going to do kind of the same thing as the first two, but I'm going to go faster. Yeah.
So go faster.
so you've got less.
No, I'm going to solve it faster and run faster.
Just do it all faster and it'll work.
I'll do so you take every stage of the race and make each of them faster.
Okay, setting the scene for Mr. Bread over here. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, here we go.
Go!
Where is it? There it is.
I love that slight improvement each time. 21.
He's done it.
I mean, I guess that was my goal at one point.
21, exactly. So what's your experience? You've gone down since 24.99.
I think I've just been focusing better each time.
For my third one, I'm just going to try and sprint or run a lot faster and just see what happens. Maybe I won't be able to finish the cube before I finish. One thing that doesn't help is these shorts are far too loose.
They are quite loose. He needs a belt.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that's a cheater, isn't it? So you're actually being your fast self, being your cheater. Final. Any last words?
Any last words?
Well, I'd hope this one will be better because I'm going to try and run faster, but it's getting pretty cold, so we'll see.
3, 2, 1, go. You don't want to stop. Stop.
Keep going.
Stop.
Okay, guys. Disqualified.
My
25.
times have not
Okay.
changed.
It was just not an improvement either way.
What's your tactics for the third attempt?
Similar to the second attempt, except don't fuck it up. So I'm going to end with the cube solved.
Ooh.
The ideal thing is to get to the line and then the last turn is right then.
It's a beautiful tactic.
That's a beautiful tactic.
What was the time?
15:19. You're so close to that magical
How was that one?
barrier.
Good, but I missed an F12 here. So it was basically 5 F12 years. Right, that could be so much faster.
I think what I need to do next time, if there is a next time, is run faster, which sounds obvious, but it's pretty much jogging until I finish the cube and then sprinting. What I need to do is multitask better and do both. It's probably easier said than done.
Yeah, well, my 3 times were kind of around the same thing, so I'm kind of a little annoyed that it didn't get better, though I don't think I'm on the right sort of gear to do much better. So it's also cold, so it's difficult to go as well.
Benjamin Button.
Yeah. First try, we had, I think, I was running too slow, and I ended at like 80 meters, and then I had to sprint. Like I finished the cube at 80 meters, and then the second time, I ran too fast, so I finished the cube after I finished. Third time, pretty well balanced. Like that was, I think I need to focus on myself more because I'm focusing on like trying to actually run fast. But I don't know.
Yes.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes.